Hey everyone, David Merritt here with another video, and what we're going to show you today is how to connect your wireless headset to a landline phone. This procedure will work on any brand of corded desk phone like you see here. It doesn't matter if it's AT&T, VTech, Polycom, Cisco. It doesn't have to be VoIP. It could be analog. It could be VoIP. It could be any type of desk phone that's corded with a handset like this. This procedure is very easy, so let's dive in right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to remove this coil cord from the back of the telephone. It's what we call the handset port. And let me zoom in here. So it's just an RJ9 pin. So that's what an RJ9 pin looks like, this clear plug. So remove that. Then you need to take the connector cord from your Plantronics headset or your Jabra headset, any brand of headset, wireless headset that's designed to connect to a desk phone will have a cable that looks like this. There's another one that looks like this. And it's just a flat cord with this clear clip that gets plugged into the phone. So take that cable, plug it back into where the handset port is on the telephone, like that. And depending upon your phone, you can put the cable through the slot that is designed on the phone. Now, what do you do with this cable? The coil cord from the handset, like this, has to get plugged into the Plantronics headset, into the headset. In the CS500 series and 700 Plantronics, they include this little box that has this icon on the side that says plug the coily cord in here. So you just simply plug it in there. Now if you have a older product or some other model of product that is not a Plantronics, you need to plug this into the charging base. You'll see a little handset icon. It'll look a lot like the one that's on this box here. So you'll see a little handset icon on the charging base, and on the CS50, 55, the older Plantronics headsets, it's going to be located in the front. So the front part, there's a little plug, and it's kind of a pain to plug in sometimes, but since I've installed thousands of these, you just kind of bend the cable and then plug it in, and then route your cable towards the front of the base like that. So that's how easy it is to set up your Plantronics wireless headset to the landline phone. And of course, you're going to want to put into the power up for your wireless headset. And the way that this works is you take your headset out of the cradle and turn it on. So you'll see the green light on this particular headset. And in order to get the phone call through this earpiece, you have to take the handset off of the cradle like you see there. Then you'll have dial tone in the headset. Now, there are other devices that you can get. You can add on to your wireless headset called a remote handset answering device. So basically what it does is allows you not to have to take the handset off the cradle here. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a video of remote answering, what it is, what you need in a future video. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can learn about remote answering and if you need it and if you and how it works exactly. So I'll put that link in the description below, so stay tuned for that. Also, if this is helpful to you, please hit the like on this video. Right now, we would greatly appreciate it. It means a lot to us. And if you have any questions, put it into the comments below. We respond to every single comment on our channel. Yes, we're insane like that, but go ahead and do it. We will respond. So that's how simple and easy it is to connect your wireless headset to a landline phone. Again, this will work on any wireless headset. and any corded desk phone that's a landline phone like this. I know they're kind of dying rapidly these days, but that's how simple and easy it is to do. If you got any questions, we're always here for you. So that's all for now, and we'll see you next time.